Struggling to send money internationally without the fees eating into your transfer? You're not alone. We all want our hard-earned money to go as far as possible when supporting loved ones or managing finances across borders, and services like Paysend are a great option. Paysend's flat fee for card-to-card transfers is clear and simple, but did you know you can often reduce your overall cost and get a better final amount? It's all about working the Paysend system smarter. So, if you're ready to put more money in your recipient's pocket, stick around. We're diving into the top tips to reduce your Paysend fees and lock in the best exchange rates. Here are 3 simple yet effective strategies. First up, maximize the fixed fee by sending larger amounts. Paysend is famous for its flat fee structure, typically a low, fixed amount like $2 or £1, regardless of how much you send. Think about it, sending one large transfer incurs that fee just once. Sending 10 small transfers means you pay that fee 10 times. By consolidating your transactions into fewer, larger sends, the fee becomes a tiny percentage of the total, making your transfer much more cost-efficient. So, plan ahead and combine those smaller transfers. Next, this is a big one, choose fee-free bank-to-bank transfers when available. While the card-to-card transfer is a core feature, Paysend often offers fee-free transfers when sending directly from a bank account to a recipient's bank account, depending on your destination country. Check the rate calculator in the app or on the website before you hit send. If the bank transfer option shows a $0 or £0 fee, that's your golden ticket to maximum savings. You only deal with the exchange rate, which brings us to our final tip. Finally, monitor exchange rates and set rate alerts. The exchange rate is the other half of your total cost. Paysend offers competitive rates, but rates constantly fluctuate. Don't transfer money the moment you think of it, transfer it when the rate is best. Many money transfer apps, including Paysend, allow you to set up rate alerts. Use this. A rate alert will notify you when the rate for your specific currency pair hits a favorable point, allowing you to execute your transfer at the perfect time and ensure your recipient gets more local currency for your send. By combining your transfers, checking for that fee-free bank-to-bank option, and timing your transfers with smart rate alerts, you can dramatically reduce your overall cost and get better value on every Paysend transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.